This is what my Gumroad dashboard looks like over the past 3 months, from simple PDF digital products I built using Claude AI. So if I had to wipe my Gumroad account today and start completely from scratch, here are the exact 4 steps I'd follow, okay? And we're going to go through each one together right now. Stick around till the end, because I'll show you exactly how much money this strategy actually pulled in. We're not just going to throw a random product out there and pray someone buys it. The first move is finding a digital product that's already proven to be selling, using a research method most people have never even heard of. After that, we're going to rebuild it our own way using Claude AI, and honestly, you're not ready for what Claude can produce when I link it up with a secret tool I'm about to show you. Then we'll get everything live on Gumroad, run a battle-tested ad strategy, and I'll also walk you through the free traffic methods if you don't want to spend on ads. And a quick favor before we dive in. If this kind of content helps you, smash that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Let's go! Alright, no more wasting time. Let's hunt down a digital product that's already proven to work. I'm not going to feed you that follow your passion or sell what you know advice that 90% of gurus push. That's the fastest way to spend months building something nobody actually wants. We need something with real demand. And the best way to spy on that is the Facebook ads library, where you can literally see every single ad currently running. Just hop on Google and search Facebook ads library, it'll come up instantly. Pick a top-tier country first. I usually go with Germany. Then plug in one of these keywords. These are the ones that work best for digital products. Now hit the filter option and choose ads that have been running for over 5 days. Why? Because everyone knows testing typically takes around 3 days, so if an ad is still alive past that mark, it means the seller is happy with the results. Look at this one right here. It's an ebook covering sales strategies, and it's been running since September 2025. That's a massive green flag. But we're not going to settle on just one, yes, we're building a full list. So I made this Google Sheet, and I'll drop the link on the blog so you can grab it. All you need to log is the product name, the landing page URL, and the Facebook ad link. Then repeat the process for the others. To be honest, I stumbled on some wild products I never would have thought of, like an exercise book to level up your cello skills. But the niche I kept seeing pop up over and over, weight loss ebooks for both men and women. Once you've got around 10 products, you need to figure out which one has the best shot. Things like demand, audience size, and a few other factors come into play. Here's my method EOS. I export the product list, hop into Claude AI, upload the file, and run this exact prompt. Within seconds, it analyzes everything and tells you which one has the strongest potential. In our case, the winner was a 40-page hormone mapping protocol. But we're not copying it. We're going to make it our own and level it up, which leads us straight into step 2, rebuilding it your way using Claude AI. But before we upgrade the digital product, we have to upgrade Claude AI itself. And the way we do that is by connecting it to Higgsfield AI. Everyone knows Claude is unmatched for building PDFs with structured layouts, tables, charts, and clean analytics. And we also know Higgsfield AI is one of the strongest tools out there for AI image and video generation, packed with all the latest models. So when you fuse them together, you're literally creating a beast. First, head into Higgsfield, click on MCP, then click it again here, and copy the URL. Now, jump into Claude AI, click Customize, then Connectors, hit the plus icon, choose Add a Custom Connector, and paste in that URL you grabbed from Higgsfield. Name it whatever you want, and click Add. After that, it'll redirect you to a permission page. Approve it, and boom! You've just built yourself a content studio that would cost thousands if you tried hiring people to do the same thing. Now I'll head over to the blog, linked in the description, which has every single prompt we're using here, starting with the very first one. Drop your digital product link in along with a few screenshots from the landing page. Just like that, it'll first pull info on the original product, then deliver an upgraded, unique version. Save these 3 things, the name, the description, and the positioning, because we'll be using them in the upcoming prompts. The second prompt builds out the table of contents. Look at the result it spits out. Now you understand why I called this combo a beast. The reason it doesn't look like those plain text-only PDFs is because Claude builds it in HTML first, so the layout actually feels like a polished landing page. Don't stress, we'll convert everything to PDF later. Next up, the third prompt. This one tells it to generate the ebook chapter by chapter. You'll need to fill in a few placeholders again. You might be wondering, why are we repeating the same info if we're already in the same chat? Here's the answer. There's a saying in the AI world, prompt AI like it's 7 years old and it'll respond like it's 70. So fill in those details properly and remember, We only build this once and we sell it forever. As you can see, this prompt also instructs Higgsfield to generate 2 images for every chapter, making the ebook visually rich instead of just walls of boring text. If the first chapter looks good, just tell it to keep going to the next one. Sometimes you'll hit a usage cap. Just wait roughly 4 hours, it'll reset, and you can keep going in the same chat. Once every chapter is done, fire up the 4th prompt. This one delivers 3 different cover variations for your ebook. I'll go with this one. It looks fire. So now we've got every piece a professional ebook needs. The 5th prompt is what stitches it all together into one final product. Just don't forget to specify which cover you picked. In my case, it was cover A. Around 25 minutes later, I had the download link to this masterpiece in my hands. Now you might be asking, but how do we actually convince women over 40 that this is the real deal? That's exactly what we're tackling in step 3. Packaging it up and getting it live on Gumroad. The first thing I'm doing is logging out of my main Gumroad account and creating a brand new one, just so we can track the data for this specific product clearly without anything getting mixed up. Head into Settings, then Profile, and plug in your brand info, name, logo, all of it. You can also tweak the colors here. I personally lean toward the dark theme. After that, jump into Payments and link your bank account so the money can actually reach you. Now click on Products and hit New Product. On this step, we're using the 6th prompt. Upload the cover image so it can first generate a high-quality Gumroad cover that properly showcases the ebook. Then it generates the description, title, and everything else you need. Take that title and drop it here. And for the price, I went with $49.99. But I'm also adding a coupon code to push conversions higher. Click Next. Add the cover image and description. The description it gives you covers nearly every question a buyer might ask. At the bottom, you'll spot the coupon code section. Plug in any discount percentage you want. I went with 25%. Then copy this entire line and paste it here in the summary so it shows up like this. Click Next. Upload the ebook file and hit Publish. To activate the discount, head to Checkout, then add discount, and paste your code exactly as you wrote it before. Double check it, one wrong character, and it won't work. Pick the product you just published. Choose the discount percentage and click Add Discount. After that, click on Checkout Form and select only if a discount is available. Now when someone clicks I want this and applies the code, the price drops from $49 to $37, which makes the deal way more tempting. And this is exactly why you don't need to spend weeks building a complicated funnel or fancy landing page like the gurus preach. This basic Gumroad page does the job, because most buyers aren't reading some massive sales page before deciding. They make the call from the ad video itself, which is exactly what we're moving into now in Step 4, getting traffic to land that first sale. I'll start with the paid route through Facebook ads, but don't worry, if you're tight on budget, I've got the free method covered too. Before we close out the Claude section, we still need it for this part. Wait, don't tell me Claude can pump out video ads too? Did you forget I told you we built a beast? Anyway, grab prompt 7 and drop it in the same chat along with the cover image. From there, Claude AI links straight into Higgsfield Marketing Studio and starts cooking up 3 ad creatives, from the script all the way to the finished videos. Stuff like, your doctor isn't lying to you, they're just looking at the wrong numbers. 4 a.m. for no reason. This one's for you. 5 days at the gym. Clean eating, nothing changed. This maps my exact hormonal pattern. That's fire. And you can also request image-based ads. I'll just use this one. Now we've got 4 different ad creatives ready to roll. But before jumping into Facebook Ads Manager, there's one final prompt we need to run inside Claude AI. This one hands you the exact audience you should be targeting so you don't blow money on the wrong people, plus the ad copy and a few other essentials. Now, click Create, choose Sales since that's our main objective. And here's the testing strategy I always run with. 1 campaign, 2 ad sets, 1 targeting interests, 1 without, and 3 to 5 ad creatives duplicated across both ad sets. The only thing you'll change here is switching the budget strategy to ad set budget, then hit Next. Select your pixel so Facebook can actually track your sales. If you don't have a pixel set up yet, just go to the database, create one easily, grab the ID, paste it inside Gumroad, and you'll see it appear right here. For the budget, the minimum I'd suggest for this strategy is $10 per day, but I'm going with $15. And I'm scheduling it to launch the next day. For countries, I went back to what Claude AI recommended and targeted those exact ones. Same approach for language, age range, and gender. Just follow Claude's lead. In the ad creative section, upload your first video ad, then plug in this ad copy along with that headline. For the description, I like this one because it nudges viewers to click the call to action, which is learn more. Now, drop the link in here and you're set. This is how it'll look. Click Setup Test. Choose 3 ads since one is already done. Plug $15 into the ad set budget and pick 3 days. From there, you can just swap out the media with your other creatives and repeat until all 4 ad creatives are uploaded. Hit publish once everything checks out. But we're not done yet. We still need that second ad set with interests, so just duplicate it. Go straight into interests and start adding the ones Claude AI suggested. You probably won't find every single one, so just add the ones available until your audience size lands in a reasonable range. Then publish. Just like that, we've got 2 ad sets queued up with all 8 ad creatives ready to launch. Ads simply speed things up. The free strategy moves slower, but when it clicks, you really win. I'm talking about those niche theme pages on Instagram and TikTok with the link in bio. That's the same approach I leaned on for my older digital product that I broke down in that video using those simple motivational quotes. The method is straightforward and you can clearly tell it's worked more than once. Find successful pages in your niche, ideally faceless ones if you'd rather not show your face, and try to recreate their best performing videos. The 2 things you absolutely need to know are this: short-form platforms reward consistency, and the sweet spot is around 2 to 5 posts a day. Second, all it takes is 1 viral video to completely change everything, so just keep posting. Now for our digital product, here's a content idea. I'll head over to free stock video sites and search for clips of women over 40 in different scenarios, then download a handful. I'll have Claude AI write quotes tied to the ebook that either help these women or hit them emotionally. Then I'll edit the videos with some clean effects to make the quote really pop. Throw in a trending sound that I can easily find by scrolling, and that's it. Now, seriously, how are you going to tell me that posting 3 videos like this every single day on a page targeting women over 40 isn't going to blow up? And by the way, for whatever digital product you're trying to launch, drop it in the comments right now, and I'll send you the exact content idea you should stay consistent with. Now here's what actually happened with my ads. I didn't even let the full 3-day test play out, because the non-interest ad set was just torching money with 0 return. On the other hand, the interest ad set landed 3 sales with a solid cost per action. We spent $60 on ads and pulled in $124, which leaves us around $64 in profit. And get this, 1 buyer didn't even use the coupon code. So yeah, plenty of buyers genuinely don't care that much about a discount. The next move is to let the test wrap up, scale the winning interested set, and then run a country-by-country test, 5 ad sets with 1 country per ad set. And that's the full step-by-step blueprint. Go find your winning digital product and good luck with it. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.